Hello, everybody. I just finished my classes and I haven't had my dinner, so my husband cooked this. It's kamote. It's kamote. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat after I finish this video. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you the noise canceling app that I'm using because a lot of ESL teachers are asking what they use for the noise canceling, so we don't have this noisy penalty. So is that what you call the penalty? So what I use is Krisp. So if you are going to um, search this noise cancellation app, it will show you this. So 5 best noise canceling apps for Windows. So we have here, number 1 is Krisp. So that's what I'm using. The rest, I haven't tried these because I'm okay with Krisp. So it's for free, and a lot of people are selling this actually. But I just want to help, so I have to share this with you guys. So please watch this. So before we start, if you don't have Krisp yet, so all you have to do is to download. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on the description below, how to download, the link to download. So make sure that you have admin access to the Windows system and download the latest Windows installer package for Krisp from HTTPS, HSMLA, Eclabush, and then you have to save it on your device here on the laptop or your device that you're using. It could be a desktop. So you have to save that and click the link and start to download. So it will automatically download that. If you copy this and then go to your browser, Mozilla, and Chrome. Is this Chrome? Oh, Google Chrome. Sometimes I use Mozilla. Sometimes I use the Edge. Is that what we call? Mm. And so if you click that one and then enter, it will automatically download the app. So see, let's show this one. But the thing is, I already have one. I already have mine, so I'll cancel this. So after downloading that, it will show you can see the application already, and click that and then install that in your laptop or on your desktop or your device that you're using. So that's it. So after that, this will show. So I put it in here. So click Krisp and this will show loading Krisp. Please wait. I'm waiting. Sanay naman ako mag-wait. So try again. Okay. So you have to see this one. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So get started. Click get started and it will show you this. Okay, so since you don't have the account yet, so all you have to do is sign up, and then I am using TEMPMAIL. I'm gonna put this in the description below as well. The TEMPMAIL, the TEMPMAIL. So this is what I use to get, to get the or to use. This is a fake email. Of course, you did not create this on your own. This is a ready-made email for you guys. I'm using this because it is very easy. It's handy. Okay, so let's delete this one. I'm gonna change. All right, change. You can copy, refresh, change, delete. So that's what I'm using. But you can also use your email. But I'm just using this. That's okay. So copy, and then you have to go back to Krisp account. Okay, by the way, that's the TEMPMAIL, this one here, tempmail.org, but I'm gonna share that to you later. So copy paste that and then sign up. All right, loading. So it will ask you the verification code, 6 digits. So go back there to the TEMPMAIL and go down, down. Okay, wait a moment. Let's refresh this. Okay. All right, it's refreshing. Okay, there. So you can just go down and click this to open the verification code. So copy paste this one as well and go back to the Krisp account and paste it. So keep this window open because they're going to check the code there. So it's done already. So out, continue. Okay, there. So this will be the one. Okay, so all you have to do, so you can see, you can still see here that the minutes remaining. So you only have like 20 minutes. Is it 20 minutes? Or yeah, 239 minutes remaining. Every week you have 240 minutes free. So my account will be expired on June 20th at 8 at 8 o'clock. So what we're going to use is, you don't need to upgrade because of course it will cost you a lot. So what I do is, just what I do is I go to this part, okay, from the Krisp there, go here, and then create your team. For example, the team name is Ediwao. So Ediwao team. So you have to choose here the role. If you are others, you're other. Okay, so you're, of course, I'm a teacher, so I'll click a teacher, and then company size. I don't have a company, so I'll just use, for example, 3 because that's the minimum. So 3. And then it will show you here that you will start a 30-day trial. So click that one. Ta-da! Okay, click that, click that, and then wait. Okay, there. So next you have to invite your teammates. If you have a friend, so your friend can access as well to this free Krisp. Okay, for example, I have to send it to myself. Okay, to wait. I don't have a friend here, so I'll just delete this one. I'll change. Okay, for example, I have to send this to another friend. So this is just for example. I just want to show you. So add teammates there. So your teammates will receive this one. Okay, so this is me, admin. I'm the admin, which is you're going to be the admin as well. And this is kakojiv759 at baden.com. This is a user. So meaning if he's going to, or if he's going to accept the invitation, just going to access as well. You're free access for Krisp. So I got 3, so I have 3 as well. But if you have if you have 10, so you can put 10 friends, of course, invite. So you have to invite here, invite user, and then type the email address that they are using. And okay, here we go. So I am going to click the EduWow team, okay, because it will show you which one do you prefer to use, personal or team EduWow. Okay, so see, when you go back here, there's still the 263 points, .02 minutes remaining. So you have to sign out from this. Okay, sign out. And after signing out, you have to get started again. Katulak ng ilong, no? And you are successfully signed in. Okay, see? See? It's already gone. So this will last 30 days. So just repeat whatever we did earlier. So that's the thing we have to make. You just repeat. And when it expires, it just repeat. So by the way, before it expires, it will show you here. It will give you a, what's this? Like it will give you an advice. It will show here. Oh, your crisp will end tomorrow, or three days or 4 days. It will show you here. It will show the how do you say that, the expiration date. So all you have to do is to do that again, all over again, so you don't have to pay every month. So you can do it yourself, and you can show this as well to your friends on how to use this. So that's it, and I hope that you learned. So please click thumbs up if you like it. Of course, you have to like it because this is for free. I just showed you. And then you have to you have to um you click the subscription. Okay, wait a moment, where is it? There. Hit subscribe, please. Okay, hit subscribe, and you can share it as well to other applications that you're using, Facebook Messenger. Okay, and if you have questions, you can type below this video, so I would be happy to help you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.